we go. Fountaine Bleau Cont, 2 nights. That means Buckshee free. 6573, 65th floor. Here we go. Should we do the bathroom first? Let's do the bathroom first. It's a bit flash, if I'm totally honest. It's very flash. It's nice, it's decent. Apart from the psycho shower curtain that Lorraine hates. Are you kidding? There's no psycho shower curtain. Hello. Right. There's the main room. It's alright. It's alright, isn't it? Not too bad. It's alright. And Lorraine, can you turn all the lights off for me, please? I'll just show you the view. He's now going to turn the lights off, and there's the money shot. There's the money shot. It's alright, isn't it? We're liking it. It's free. Ta-da.